to the Marley Bird YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to do a linked double crochet. You begin with the slip knot on your hook and then chain the same number of chains as you need stitches for your project plus 2. Once you have the total chain amount you need, you will take your hook and insert it into the second chain from hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook and we can complete a double crochet. To do the remaining linked double crochets, you will take your hook, insert it through the middle horizontal bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. We repeat this. Go into the horizontal bar that's in the middle, yarn over, pull up a loop. Go to the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over your hook, draw through 2, yarn over your hook, draw through 2. The difference between the linked double crochet and a regular double crochet is not only that we are not yarning over for the first stitch, but by working our first stitch through that horizontal bar right there, we are linking the stitches together, thus making a more dense fabric. You would repeat this process of working through the horizontal bar and then the next chain, and then working through the double crochet process until you have used up all of the chains that you created. On the last chain, you don't do anything special. Everything is done nice and neat here. You would start the next row by chaining 2, turning your work, and then jumping in. Take your hook, insert it into the second chain from hook, so it's this chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2. And then we repeat that all the way down the row for this nice linked double crochet. As I mentioned, the linked double crochet creates a really nice dense fabric. It makes a fabric with very few holes and it's very nice and stable. It could hold a lot of weight on the fabric itself. Linked double crochets are fun to make and now you can make them as well. I'm Marley Bird. Find more videos like this one making you a better crocheter and knitter right here on the Marley Bird YouTube channel. Hey, thanks for joining me today on the channel. If you want more videos just like that one, check out some of these other videos that I've already handpicked for you. And don't forget to hit subscribe so that way you're up to date whenever I release a new video. And don't forget, smash that like button as my kids say. Bye guys.